Okay, so I learned something. Apparently, you can shoot the Zurpstones with Trudy.
Hey, Trudy, ready to... And we're off!
Let's see how that works. Like... Oh, we can't do those yet because we don't have enough Zurpstones. How many do we have? If you have to collect so many of them, I guess, which I thought I did collect enough of them to do that. Alright, where's the rest of them at? This area here. Which, that was the... where was that at? Okay, so... Oh, I can land her out here. That looks like a boss fight there, doesn't it? There's a Zurpstone underneath this building, probably. I don't know how many I have. To exchange for a Spybot. We have a Zurpstone here. But that's probably on top of the tower. Those are on top of the towers. Can't get those. We have Zurpstones here. Can't get those either. There's some over here. Where's her nest at over here, though? I guess back this way. Well, let's see. So we're gonna have to land, I guess, to get the rest of them. There's a space here, but I'm gonna have to fight a bunch of bad guys over there. I don't know what's out here. I don't know what's out there. Is there a nest there? There's no nest there. You can, oh, here's a nest. It doesn't tell me how many Zurpstones I have so far. So let's go. There's a nest here. Let's go that way. See if I can figure out where we're going here. Is that the landing spot I want? No, I want it over here. Oh, that's in my hideout. I can't do nothing in there. Let's land her over here, I guess.
I tell ya, it just warms old Mort's heart.
Alright, so there was some more down here, right? There's supposedly more down here. I might have to get a speedle. There might be some underneath somewhere. There's ammo over there. Let's see what kind of ammo we got laying around over there. Take that ricochet ammo. Cool. Okay, so are there Zurpstones underneath here? I don't see any. Okay. Says there's one over there somewhere. Right? Again, I'm right on top of it somehow. What am I missing here? And it says It's like right here. In this near vicinity. Right to the right of me, or the left, over here, this way. Is it up here? It is. Okay.
Hey, girl. Ready to find more Zurpstones?
Okay, I have 42. I looked this up and I thought it said if you get 40 after finding 42. So we have 42. So let's see if we can shoot some now.
Let's fly.
Up. No, we still can't shoot anything. No, I guess I gotta turn them in, maybe. That's weird. Okay, we couldn't find this one. Oh, that's not a Zurpstone. What is that? Speedle nest? That's a speedle nest. Where's the Zurpstones at? They're out here. Let's just fly straight ahead. Right here. Wait a minute. I want my enforcer here.
That secret key battle was something else, huh?
Thank you for going to such trouble on my behalf.
Ah, that was nothing.
The little toads are a good way to level up that thing. Trouble is, it scatters their bolts all over the place. Any more out here? No. There's one. Somewhere over there. I don't see another island though. Is there one out here? Yeah, there is. Okay. No, get this thing right here. Get it! There we go. Okay, so this area is kind of clear. I guess I need to get a speedle and see if I can go and get these out here. This one here. I couldn't find these over here. Let's fly over there and see if we can find those. I couldn't find this one either. That's the one in my hut. My hideout. And then there's some more over here. And that's where there's enemies at over there, so let's see, we can go back this way, it's easy. I like how this thing still stays here instead of despawning. Alright, so where are we going?
Hey, Libby! I forgot to tell you earlier. Trudy's strong enough to breathe fire now.
Okay.
All those Zurpstones made her belly as hot as Mort's party mix. Feel free to let her loose.
Sweet!
There
Now
we
can
go.
Finally get the rest of the Zurpstones.
That's what we're talking about. Hold L2 to brake. Okay. Up we go. There we go. Now we're talking. Alright, let's Ow. Somebody shooting at me? Alright, we were going straight ahead. There we go. These guys are fighting. Okay. Let's go back this way and see if there's anything. They're down here somewhere. I guess I'm gonna have to land. Oh no, I don't have to land. There's no nest down there either, is there? Oh, there is a nest over here. What's this? A vendor? Seriously? It's okay, we only got one more Zurpstone anyway. Somewhere in here. Let's level up my... Oh, no, wait a minute. I don't want to screw things up again. This one goes here. That goes there. Okay, so I want the Megatron Collider. We're going to stick that right there.
I told you idiots to get off my planet.
It's like that.
Oh. I'm gonna die. Damn it. It never fails.
Hey, Trudy. I thought I told you idiots to get off my planet.
Now, do I have my, I need my grenade bomb. I still got that. Okay, that's good. Good throw. Uh-oh. What else do we got left here? We got the Ricochet. Oops, no, put this one back up here. I need to get the Ricochet over here. Extinction event. Okay, I got some more Rotarium for that too, eh? Alright. How are we doing? 52 out of 60. What kind of ammo we got? We got some neutron collider ammo. What is that red thing there? Can't do nothing with that, can I? Can't interact with that. Looks like you should be able to. More toads? Alright, well let's put on our enforcer. Put that over here. There's Trudy. Let's get rid of some of these toads. Nice jump, dude. There's some toads over there. Is there any more? There's something right here. Oh, up there probably, eh? Because I don't see it here. Must be on top of the tower. That's the only one. We gotta get the bird then. Where's the bird? Or the dragon? That's a dragon. Okay, sorry. Go this way. And where's the nest? Right there. Here we go. Let's see if it's up there. Yeah, it's up there. Okay.
Let's find those Zurpstones.
Up we go. Okay, we gotta come around again. Okay, so Trudy's a dragon. Okay, we're getting the hang of this now, I guess. Now there's something over here on top of these towers, maybe? There's one more up there somewhere. Where is it? Let's do another approach. Huh. It's this way. Uh-oh. Too low. Okay, so supposedly there's something up here, right? No, this way. There's still something up here. Huh. Or down here. Kind of hard to see. Is there a nest here? There's a nest. Let's land. So now I gotta find the Zurpstones. Where are they? Up here? Let's get all the frog guts. It looks like it's this way. Is it on top of these two towers here? It must be, but I didn't see them up there. Blast pistol ammo, nice. Alright, Morts, what's going on, guys? Where's the Zurpstones at? You guys are guardians of the Zurpstones, aren't you? I don't know. Sorry, tree. It must be on top of these two towers here. Because there's water. Alright, bring it back. Let's go, tree. Let's go up there.
Ready to find more Zurpstones?
Yeah, let's do it.
Atta girl, Trudy.
Up, up, up. Alright, let's go to the top of these things here. There's one maybe, eh?
What are you idiots even doing up here?
There's one. I see it. It's right there. I gotta be able to get it though. Right here. 55 to 60.
This is already too much cardio for me, bro.
Uh-oh. Go up. Where is this guy? Let's get this guy here. Okay, then there was a Zurpstone on top of there too. Did I get it? Nope. Alright, let's seems to me there was something else up here. Yeah, right there. Let's land here. No, not crash land. Alright, this is what I was looking for, because I couldn't get this before. I got some more raritarium. So, where are we doing on Zurpstones now? We have a couple more in this area over here. Is there a nest there? There's a nest right there. Okay, so let's head that direction, which is to my left. Alright, Judy, let's go.
Let's fly.
Am I going the right way? I am now. We want to go this way. And we still want to go this way. We want to go down here. There we go. Alright, this way. Is there one up there? Oh, down there's one, looks like. Wait a minute, I just saw one. Right there. Okay, there's one. The other one was on the bottom, on the ground too. Where was it? Right there. I gotta get in there somehow, eh? It's right there, and I can't get at it. A lot of frogs. Is there a nest here? Let's see, can we land here somewhere? What's this? Oh, that's the, well, I don't see, oh, that's what that is. That's not a Zurpstone, it's this thing. Yeah, that's the crash site. Okay, alright, let's get out of here. We don't have many more, do we? We got one to my left over here, this way. Not count a tree. Sorry, dude. Hit the rock. I keep wanting to control this with 2 sticks. This tower over here. No. Is there a nest in there? There is a nest here. Up here, maybe? Where are we at? I'm in the wrong spot. It's back this way. Cover a lot of ground pretty quickly here, don't we? Yeah, I'm circling it. It's right here somewhere. Here it is. Wait a minute. I didn't level out there. Why not? Okay, we got 58 now. Okay, where are the rest of them at? Oh, they're over here. We gotta get a speedle for these, I think, don't we? I think they're underneath. Alright, let's head back to the nest then. Just sit here, just the nest? No. It's the other side over here. Trying to get Zurpstones on a speedle is going to be kind of tough. Really? How come she didn't land? Get the nest. Alright, so the last 2 are here somewhere. And I guess the only way to get them is on a speedle, so that should be kind of fun. Because there's one here and there's one under here. There's one right under this bridge, but I don't see it. Oh, there it is. I see it now. I don't have to get a speedle for that one. I just have to go get it. Okay. Okay, one more. Now where's the other one at? I'm guessing it's underneath here. Well, let's grab us a speedle. See what goes on. See what happens. Alright, dude. Time for some more insanity. Guess the thing is, can we get underneath here? I don't think so. Try it again. Now, this controls with the other stick. So you can't get underneath here. Okay. So then it must be up on top. Alright, well, let's go up on the ramp here. Speedle ramp. We're gonna launch off the ramp. Get out of my way with that. Okay, so it must be up on top. Alright, let's take one more dragon flight.
There she is. And we're out.
There it is.
Holy moly, Ribbit! That's all the Zurpstones. Guess I better get that Spybot ready for you. Oh boy!
Woo! Gelatonium factory, here I come.
By the
Now,
by,
come on.
Have you noticed anything different about Trudy yet?
Besides her being even more radiant than usual.
Oh, my Mark! Look at all that slurp. You earned this Spybot and then some.
Okay.
How long will it take Trudy to eat everything?
Oh, 5 days, 6 tops. But old Mort will worry about next week.
By the by, have you noticed anything different about Trudy yet?
Besides her being even more radiant than usual?
She's expecting!
What? She is?
Where's the daddy?
Oh, I am gonna throw her the biggest baby shower this planet has ever seen.
Alright, so we have a new bot. Where is it? This one, Sargasso.
Sargasso, the land that time forgot. Or rather, the land the Emperor took one look at and could not forget fast enough. Full of acidic swamps, primordial beasts, and bugs. Lots of bugs. The Emperor quickly decided that there were better ways to spend his time than conquering this mudball. The Gelatonium outpost once belonged to the Kerchu tribe, but they were wiped out when they accidentally misspelled the Emperor's name on their tax returns. Since then, the Morts have moved in and salvaged what they could. Officially, they remain neutral in the galactic conflict, but unfortunately, rumors have arisen that they have been harboring a key member of the Resistance in secret.
Okay. Gold bolts. Hammer skins. Photo mode. RPG. Ship skins pack. Okay, that's weird. All these skins, huh? Okay, let's we're gonna call it a video here. And then, actually I might combine the last two. I probably will combine this one with the last one. It might be too long though. We'll see. Anyway, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.